All right, guys, so there you have it. I have given you the perfect combination for your LG G8. The company that came through is Ringke. So I posted on social media last week, what's the best case that I can get that's a rugged style case like this case that I was liking, but clear. And I forgot all about this series of case, and Ringke has proven that this time around, this is a really good combination. Now, they did send over the dual pack screen protectors, and I'll admit I rushed into putting that screen protector on without even following the instructions. And so thank goodness there were two, because I actually followed the instructions the second time around. So if you get those screen protectors, follow the instructions and you will not mess it up. I still have a couple of bubbles here and there, but it definitely looks a heck of a lot better than what it did with the other one I first put on there. So nonetheless, this is the case combination right here. This is a beautiful case. I will leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. This is official. If you have the crimson red or candy apple red LG G8, it's your man Jay, and I'm signing off. This is the official case to get. You get bumper and corner protection, and the case itself has that cherry red accent to it, that dark accent. You've got a little bit of branding down here on the bottom that says Ringke, but all your ports and everything line up. And this case will still work with wireless charging. Some of you guys might ask that question. These clear cases, any kind of these clear cases, as long as there's not metal inside of it, you'll have the capability to wireless charge if your phone can wireless charge. But other than that, you got a little bit of lip protection, so I've taken off that other glass screen protector from GPL. Just wasn't working out too well, so I was glad that they sent over some screen protectors. Now, this isn't glass. This is a very thick, high-quality plastic, but it actually, it's going to work, I can tell, because it really adheres to the screen really quick. So thank goodness it's a 2-pack, and when you get yours, be sure to take your time. On the back here, you've got a sloping design here. It's a little matte finish all around the entire case. Around the camera, it's a little shiny accents around the flash and everything there, and the dual camera setup. This is a boss setup for the G8. If you have this red color, this is what I recommend you grab. It's your man Jay, and it is official. This is the case combination for the crimson red / candy apple red LG G8. See you in the next one.